Here we are again, guys. Check this out. The latest product from MrLandcruiser catalogue, the high lift jack mount. Not many of these on the market. I've tried a few different ones. I've been running a homemade one. Finally, someone's got it right. The designer knew where the aerial runs. The hole runs straight through. Fitment couldn't be easier. One big reason is the engineer that designed this owns a 40. He really knows where it's at. These are the existing screws. We're just taking them out, putting them in. You need nothing new there. Just whack the top one back in where it come from. And I really like this. How am I going to get this one in here? He's thought of that too. Screwdriver goes straight in. It's just a no-brainer. Aussie made, 40 series owner. You just tighten it all up. And that is basically fitment. It doesn't get any easier than this. You even got the little cutouts so it doesn't rub on the cab. The back bracket's on. The next steps, we line it up. You can see it's got the padding. Keep it that way, we can shut it down nice and firm. And you can notice the colour. It's not painted because this is 316. It's marine grade stainless steel. So it doesn't get any better. And again, yeah, in the bush, you see how simple this is to get on and off. There you go, guys. These are custom made. They're not mass produced. They're on the website now. This is what I run on mine. Only the best. www.mrlandcruiser.com. Check them out.